Moving WordPress to another platform can be tricky. Your data needs to transfer correctly while your current website stays protected throughout the process. So in this video, we cover both sides: how to back up WordPress with a plugin and how to migrate your WordPress website with LitExtension. First, let's back up your WordPress site. For this tutorial, we use Plus, one of the most widely used WordPress backup plugins. It backs up your database and website files, then saves them to your server and remote storage. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, select Add Plugin, and search for Undraft Plus. Then install the app and you will see the plugin listed on your Install Plugins page. Next, click Settings. Under the Setting tabs, choose a remote storage option such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Then follow the instructions to connect your account. Return to the Backup Restore tab and click Backup Now. Make sure both your database and website files are selected. Then click Backup Now again to start the process. Once the backup is complete, scroll down to the existing backup section. Check that database, plugins, themes, uploads, and other files are included. Now that you have a complete backup, but moving that data to another platform is a different challenge. WordPress and your new platform may organize data differently. So, without proper handling, some content may be missing or displayed correctly. That's where LitExtension comes in. With over 15 years of experience, LitExtension migrates your WordPress store to over 140 platforms. Our experts adapt data to your new platform structure for an accurate and smooth transition, so you don't have to handle any of it yourself. Here's exactly how our process works, step by step. First, you'll start with a consultation with our migration experts. We'll discuss and confirm your requirements for a successful WordPress migration. Next, we move on to the setup phase. Our team will set up your WordPress store, deploy the necessary tools, and create the appropriate environment for the migration. For stores with more than 2,000 MBs, we'll also run a demo migration so you can review the results. For smaller stores, this step is typically skipped unless you request it. Finally, we'll continue with a full migration. Once the migration is completed, we'll perform multiple rounds of testing to ensure that all data has been transferred accurately. And of course, our support doesn't stop there. During the post-migration period, we provide comprehensive support services, including unlimited recent data migration, unlimited smart updates, 2 free migration, all with specific conditions applied, and up to 60 days of technical support. Enjoy all the exclusive benefits when migrating from WordPress to another platform with LitExtension, including accurate and secure data transfer from WordPress to another platform, clear migration process is offered before getting to the real work, inclusive additional migration options at no extra cost. Keep selling while migrating because we ensure 100% store uptime, personalized migration experience to meet all your requirements, and post-migration support to give you complete peace of mind. And that's how you back up your WordPress site and migrate it safely to another platform. If you'd rather leave the complex work to the experts, LitExtension is ready to manage the entire migration for you. Get your free consultation, link in the description. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more e-commerce tutorials from LitExtension.